have just gotten to the Encore. This is the King Panoramic resort room. To the right is the restroom right when you walk in. Super nice, you guys. Look how spacious. Love the huge tub. Then it's got its toilet right there. Plenty of room to do your makeup. And then this is the closet to the right. Me to the left. Here's your closet area. There's your safe. Space to hang your stuff. Then you walk right into the room. You have on the left side the snack area. I love how big this room is. Here's your full snack area. You've got the bed. So you just switch the TV. That is so nice. Yeah, if you're on your bed, you can just switch it the other way. That is so nice. Love all the mirrors in here. Now we're going to walk into the sitting area. You can see we've already moved in here. So here's the sitting area. And then you've got the view. I'll get you a view during the daytime. It's kind of hard to see right now.
Island, I'll be sipping on some iced tea. Take me away to an island. Wanna feel the Maui breeze. Maybe I can go to Paris. Say bonjour to the Arc de Triomphe.
The full Las Vegas vlog is coming soon, and it will be linked in the description below. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like. I really appreciate it. Also, I have more Las Vegas hotels up, so please check that out. And check out my other full Las Vegas vlog. We're gonna show you something different in this full Las Vegas vlog, so please check out my other ones. You can see shopping, the strip. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the full vlog. Bye!